Hello friends, my name is Bhavya Arora. I am clinical nutritionist and certified diabetes educator at Fortis CDOC Hospitals. So today I am going to talk about khapli wheat. Have you heard about khapli wheat? It is being promoted as an ancient healthier alternative to our regular wheat. But what is khapli wheat? Is it really better? Should we all switch over to khapli wheat? Let's understand that. So khapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat also known as emmer wheat. It has been cultivated for thousands of years and is traditionally used in many parts of India like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Talking about its characteristics, it's high in fiber. It's rich in nutrients like iron, protein, magnesium, zinc, B vitamins. Compared with regular wheat flour, khapli has a low glycemic index and people find it easier to digest also. But of course, it's a carbohydrate containing grain. One should be very careful about carbohydrate sizes, portion sizes. It contains gluten. While some people find it easier to digest than modern wheat, it is not gluten free and it's not safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. It has a sweet and nutty flavor and it's used to make many chapatis, breads, pastas, and baked goods. So what about diabetes and weight loss? Khapli wheat is still a carbohydrate containing grain, so one must be careful about portion sizes. For people with diabetes, having khapli roti does not mean unlimited chapatis. The better approach would be to choose whole wheat flour, control the portion sizes, add dals, eggs, chicken, soy as protein sources, and include plenty of vegetables in it. This would make your meal wholesome and balanced. So who can choose khapli wheat? People who prefer its taste, texture, and digestibility, they can add it as a part of the healthy diet. Remember friends, ancient does not necessarily mean nutritious. On the screen, you can see the comparison between regular whole wheat and khapli wheat. So when we talk about which is better out of the two, talking about protein, khapli may have a very small advantage, but not enough to make it a high protein option. As far as the fiber and fullness are concerned, both whole grains score better, but our whole wheat is nutritionally stronger. For blood sugar, don't just simply assume that khapli is nutritious and automatically better. The type of the flour, the fineness, the cooking method, and the portion sizes all matter as the wheat variety. For regular everyday rotis, whole wheat atta is a perfect choice. Prefer khapli only if you like its taste, its texture, digestibility, and not simply because it's marketed as a high protein option. So always remember, don't just follow the trend blindly. Always choose the grain which is good for your health. Thank you so much.